Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of Jamaican cuisine, focusing on a dish that's both flavorful and iconic, Escovitch fish. But hold on tight because we're not just exploring the deliciousness. We're uncovering some intriguing unknown facts about this Jamaican delicacy. Now, Escovitch fish is not just any dish, it's a burst of flavors and a celebration of Jamaica's rich culinary heritage. But before we get to the cooking part, let's dive into some surprising facts about this mouthwatering meal. Origins of Escovitch fish. Did you know that Escovitch fish has its roots in Spanish cuisine? Yes, it was brought to Jamaica by Spanish settlers centuries ago. The term Escovitch actually comes from the Spanish word escabeche, which refers to the technique of marinating fish in a seasoned vinegar-based sauce. The signature tangy sauce. One of the standout features of Escovitch fish is its signature tangy sauce. It's made by combining vinegar, onions, carrots, bell peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Ah, yes, the Scotch bonnet. The fiery little pepper that gives this dish its distinctive kick. The sauce isn't just about adding flavor. It also serves as a preserving agent, allowing the dish to be enjoyed over several days, getting even tastier as the flavors meld together. Cultural significance. Beyond its delicious taste, Escovitch fish holds a special place in Jamaican culture. Traditionally, it's a popular dish during celebrations, especially during holidays and festivals like Easter and Christmas. It's a symbol of togetherness and joy, often bringing families and friends around the table to share in its savory goodness. It's not just a meal, it's a culinary tradition steeped in cultural significance. Here's another fascinating fact. While traditionally made with fish like red snapper or kingfish, Escovitch can also be prepared with various seafood like lobster or even adapted for vegetarian versions using plantains or tofu. It's a dish that embraces creativity and versatility while keeping those bold flavors intact. So, there you have it. Escovitch fish isn't just a dish. It's a flavorful journey through Jamaican history and culture, filled with surprising twists and vibrant traditions. Fish as a symbol of resilience. Escovitch fish, with its robust flavors and ability to withstand longer preservation, reflects the spirit of Jamaican resilience in its cuisine. It was a way for locals to make the most of available resources, preserving fish using vinegar and spices, making it a staple dish that transcends time. Through Escovitch fish, Jamaicans honor their resourcefulness and ability to create something truly extraordinary out of necessity. Health benefits. Beyond its incredible taste, Escovitch fish packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. The colorful medley of vegetables like bell peppers and carrots provides essential vitamins and antioxidants, making this dish not only delicious but also a nutritious choice for a balanced diet. Each region's interpretation adds layers of complexity to the flavors, making it a culinary adventure within the same dish across different locales. It's fascinating how a single dish can transform in subtle yet distinct ways, showcasing the diversity within Jamaica's culinary landscape. Each step holds significance, passed down through generations, creating a sense of continuity and cultural connection through food. This ritualistic approach to cooking Escovitch fish showcases the deep-rooted respect Jamaicans have for their culinary heritage. With the arrival of various cultural influences, Spanish, African, British, and even Middle Eastern traders, Escovitch fish became a melting pot of culinary styles, incorporating ingredients and techniques from these diverse regions. This culinary fusion represents Jamaica's rich history as a meeting point of cultures, where food became a harmonious blend of various influences. Beyond its delectable taste, Escovitch fish holds a deeper significance as a symbol of celebration and unity within Jamaican communities. It's often prepared for special occasions, family gatherings, and community events, symbolizing coming together in joy and harmony. This dish isn't just about satisfying hunger. It's about fostering bonds and strengthening relationships through the shared experience of savoring its flavors. Here's a captivating aspect. Escovitch fish has woven its way into Jamaican folklore and superstitions. Some believe that serving Escovitch fish during certain events, like weddings or New Year's celebrations, can bring good luck, prosperity, and ward off negative energies. In recent years, chefs and home cooks have put a modern spin on Escovitch fish. While the traditional recipe remains beloved, Innovative chefs have experimented with fusion versions, incorporating global ingredients and cooking techniques, showcasing the dish's adaptability in today's culinary landscape. These contemporary twists pay homage to the roots of Escovitch fish while pushing culinary boundaries, making it relevant in today's ever-evolving food scene. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Escovitch fish and its intriguing hidden stories. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep embracing the flavors that make our world so deliciously diverse. Bye for now.